So we're here today to judge the first Kikkoman student competition at Westminster College. We've got 6 finalists and we're looking forward to trying the best of what they've produced from the Kikkoman Soy. We've got desserts, we've got starters, we've got oriental style, we've got a little bit of modern cuisine. So there's quite a lot of variation, but all using Kikkoman soy as an integral part. There's a few that I'm a little bit concerned at, but we'll see.
Doing a squid ink and soy risotto with a Szechuan squid and a soy and chili pouring sauce.
Today I'll be doing a soy chocolate fondant with a soy caramel crumb and a soy caramel shard with a orange reduction sauce, candied orange peel and a mint cream.
Glazed sea bass with soy maple syrup glaze with pickled carrots, courgettes and tempura mussels.
So that's just chorizo. It's sort of like a gazpacho, which I've then added chorizo into and just cooked down, make a really intense flavour. Then I've got a little bit of cured salmon, which is going to be like a little tartar or a little soy glazed tuile. And then a few little pickled vegetables, a bit of barbecue cauliflower.
A broccoli puree with sous vide beef. So I'm going to make like a soy and maple syrup glaze with it.
At the moment I'm rolling out the pastry for my tarts. On the stove I've got the jam that's going in the tarts as well. And I've already made the crystallised pistachios and the raspberry twists.
Well, we're about 30 minutes away from the end now. The guys are starting to cook off their main ingredients. It's all looking quite good, there's been no major problems. So I'm looking the most skill we can get out of the dish, the ingredients, how they've utilised the Kikkoman soy sauce, and overall really, it's the best dish on the day. The utilisation of the Kikkoman soy has been fantastic. The winner that we all unanimously agreed on, flavour-wise, texture-wise, use of the soy, is George. Congratulations. Well, for me, the dish stood out as actually the most simplest dish. It worked really well on all levels, taste, texture, temperature, and it was strangely the simplest dish there, but everything gelled together and worked very well.
Certainly, soy sauce originally is not the basic common seasoning for the Western people or Western dishes. We Kikkoman would like to incorporate into those Western dish and to be the we call the global standard seasoning.